name is California Dream, and my friends call me Callie, and I have big dreams.
Should be played at high volume.
California Dream, I have it all. Callie, my dreams are big, and I'm standing let's go! Every step I take, I reach for the sky. I'm not afraid to fly. I'm aiming high, I'm aiming high, I'm aiming high. I'm California Dream, I'm aiming high. Let's go! Aiming high, I'm aiming high. I'm California Dream, I'm aiming high. I wonder how much money I have in my piggy bank. It feels like I've been saving coins forever. I need to get these coins out, but how?
Hey there, Calibug. What's going on in here?
Oh, hey Dad. I'm trying to get all my coins out of this piggy bank, but I can't do it by myself.
Well, you're in luck, my little banker. I have special tools for this job.
Special tools? Like what?
Well, we could try a hammer, like Thor.
Thor, yeah. It worked. Wow, Dad, you're like a real-life superhero.
Yes, I suppose you could say that. But with great power comes great amounts of loose change. I see pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters too.
Pennies, nickels, dimes. Those sound like characters from a storybook.
Well, they might as well be. These are all different types of coins, and each one has its own value.
Oh, I see. I just learned something new.
You sure did. Hey, we're learning today, counting all the coins with my daughter this way. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters too. We're counting each one and learning what to do. Yeah. Let's sing it together.
Okay, Dad. Hey, let's learn today. Counting all my coins with my dad this way. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters too. We're counting each one to show you what to do, yeah. Penny, penny, round and round, is worth 1 cent, that's what we found. Nickel, nickel, silver and thick, is worth 5 cents, oh, that's the trick.
Dime, is small and bright. It's worth 10 cents, that's quite a sight. Quarter, a coin so fine. At 25 cents, it's really prime. Drop it in your piggy bank, watch them grow. Leave them in your piggy bank, it's fun to know. Put them in your piggy bank, one by one. You'll save so much money when you're finally done, yeah.
Hey, let's learn today. Counting all my coins with my dad this way. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters too. We're counting each one to show you what to do, yeah. Hey, let's learn today. Counting all my coins with my dad this way. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters too. We're counting each one to show you what to do, yeah. Hey, we learned today. We counted all the coins in our bank this way. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters too. We counted each one, now you know what to do, yeah. That was so cool. So how much money do you think I have, Dad?
Looks like you have enough to treat us to some ice cream.
Awesome. Thanks for helping me count my coins, Dad.
Anytime. And remember, even though each coin might not seem like much, when you save them up over time, they can add up to a lot.
Okay, Dad. Thanks for being the best money superhero ever. And thank you for counting with us. See you next time.